Today we're at Bay Wind Condos on Scenic Highway. This is unit 302. So right off Scenic Highway where it turns into Cervantes, this is on the water. Again, unit 302. Coming in, you have the living area. Nice ceiling fan overhead. And here you have the dining room. Also in the dining room, you do have another front door, so essentially two front doors. Going into the kitchen, see we have microwave, stove there, and on the opposite side we have dishwasher, sink, and then you do have an open wall area to see out into the living room. Nice refrigerator with freezer on the bottom. So coming out of the kitchen, again there's the dining room and that secondary front door. Living room. We'll go down the hallway. There are 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. Here on the left is the full bathroom. You have tub shower combo there, your commode and your vanity. Coming out of here, we'll go straight down the hallway. This would be your secondary bedroom. Again, another nice ceiling fan, 2 closets in this bedroom. So there's one, then we'll turn. There's your secondary closet. Most of the closets do have lights inside them. We'll come out of this bedroom and take a left and go into the master bedroom. It's a little bit larger. Another window there, again another ceiling fan. And then if we walk through, we can take a right and you'll see the half bathroom here. There's your vanity, your commode. And then this bedroom does have, again, a lighted closet there. We'll come out of this bedroom and go back down the hallway. Here on the left is a coat closet, hallway closet, whatever you might want to use it for. So lots of storage as far as closets here. Now we're back into the living room. And there's your living room. We'll turn, there's your main front door, then your secondary front door. Then we'll turn back. You can see your kitchen there. And then down the hallway. Again, this is Bay Wind Condos, Unit 302 in Pensacola. It's offered by Barron's Property Managers. You can see info at barronspm.com or you can call our office at 850-934-2588.